Now we're recording. Alright guys, today, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the Eclipse, like I said. Now we're going to reupholster the door card. So a couple months ago, I've actually reupholstered the headliner. I have it sitting right here. Yeah, I'm going to actually do it to the dark cards. I also have the black inserts for it's from another Eclipse. It's the black power mirror switch. I'll show you guys right now. It's black and tan interior over the all black, but eventually I'll get another Eclipse that has all black, but for now it's just these. Comes with a switch, and yeah, it's all ready to swap in window, power locks and all that. But this combo I think is going to be pretty good. So yeah guys, I actually buffed out the headlights from 300 to 2000, and then I add the it was a polish, it was a Meguiar's polish I believe. So that really worked out. They are really clean. These are the OEM ones too. So yeah, I'm not planning to do the whole car polish, but eventually when I get the car painted and actually have one color. But I also put the fog light bezels here. And it turns out these things are pretty rare too. I guess people say that this little air duct thing, you can catch that. There's a ding right there. It's kind of annoying, but that's like the only ding on the whole car. It's pretty freaking straight. It's the black and tan interior. I got the the shift knob already, as you can see. I don't know why it keeps sagging down like this, but when you're shifting it doesn't. I don't know, people don't really realize, but a aftermarket radio on this. But for now it's gonna be this. Not even Bluetooth, not even aux, bro. Again, I had all these parts like right around when I was building it last year, or when I got it last year. This is still not connected, but as you can see, the connectors are actually still in there, if you can see it. So if you're wondering if you need to, solder on connectors, the connectors are there. I think it's just the connection from this to the door is actually the ones you're working with. But here is the interior. It's the normal tan on tan, but usually we're gonna change this today. It's gonna be a black, and this part here, I actually seen it. People actually upholster this part. Windows, these are going to be power. I might keep the windows, who knows. I still need to get a new card if I'm going to keep the manual windows. But here's the oil leak. Gear oil, I believe, from the axle. If you guys take a look at the rims, and don't mind the ride height, here's the rims. This is like, if anybody knows this type of rims, I've been looking for like answers on it, but I believe they're amp. They have lettering, but I can't identify it. Also the ride height. Yeah, that's definitely got to at least 50% of it is gonna have to drop. Take a look in the back. Here we have the new addition, the high rise that everybody wants to do. I don't know what the fuck is that. Ew. All the lines do line up. There are actually bolts that bolts up to this, and it actually looks pretty cool. Then we go back to here, like I said, how to disconnect, or how to take off the door cards first. So let me show you that first. Alright guys, so when you want to take off the door card, there's going to be like 6 screws, I believe. So there's one here on this side, on the left side, and there's one here, 2 on the other side right there, and then when you get into the door handle here, when you pull the lever, there's going to be a screw inside here, and there's going to be another one. After that, you should be able to take off the door panel. I usually grab a tool like this. It's a pry tool, I guess. So in a rare case scenario, if yours have a manual window, you're going to have to use a pick tool. You use something like this. It's a pick tool. It has like this metal toothpick thing. So to get it out, you're just going to pull it on a little bit. Pull it out a little bit, and then you should be able to see the metal ring. So it should come like this. It's like a little snap ring thing. Pull it out. It's actually on the plastic part here. After that, you should be able to pop it out now. Alright guys, so just got the door panel out, so we're gonna work on him. Oh yeah, we'll go ahead and do it on the other side. So what people do usually is they follow this line here, and it goes all the way, just this portion here, and they upholster that, and they put fabric there or whatever. So we're just taking off this cup holder now, so we can get ready to cut it. Screws, or it's like fake bolts. This little thing. Look at this. Like, it's not a bolt. Now what I use to adhere it usually is this Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. There's also the 91 you can use, or 93. Or you can use this Gorilla spray adhesive. This also works pretty good on fabric. So let's go ahead and spray it down and lay it. You can spray the fabric too if you want. Double down on that shit. Push it down a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do the rest of this, trim it out, and then I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I got, oh, the wind again. I got the thing all glued on. There's a little rough edges, but that shows character. So I'm just waiting for the, I'm gonna do the black piece. No mounting points, and it's just gonna be a gap. But other than that, like, everything has to be either glued on or like using a mount. Would have to mount like that. Okay guys, so this is how the door should look like. Theoretically, if I finished it, give you a good look at it. Plus the door handle, or the window handle, and the door handle. This is going to be gray. But overall, look at that. That's clean, man. Definitely gonna match the shifter when it's done. I'm just gonna figure out a way to actually put it on. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's the completed look. It has the two-tone here. I might get actually a black handle just to over two-tone it, but here is the vent, works and everything. You got the, still got the manual window here. Yeah, that was the look I was going for. Oh my god, look at that look right there. Get the full effect of it back up. Damn. Gotta do this side, but that's the look for now. Take a look at that one more time. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. That's part one. I did the passenger side door and it came out perfect. Well, kinda. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. What's up guys, welcome back to day 2 of fixing up my, hold on. I actually did get it done off camera because I don't know, I just wanted to and I don't want to record it even though I recorded it the first time. Anyways, but yeah, I'll show you guys right now what it looks like. It looks pretty baller. Actually this side actually looks better than the passenger, so I don't know. Let's check it out. Alright guys, there it is. Here is the completed fabric door panel. As you can see, it runs the lines just well. I did have to glue this on with the fabric glue or something like that, and also I had to screw a couple brackets in, and there's a gap though. That's just because my poor cutting skills. But here's the full look. As you can see, nice pattern. A couple months ago, I think I actually did the headliner. My dad helped me out, but not knowing the fact that this extra foam that was underneath was actually the one that was killing me because it kept drooping down. Literally, it drooped down like far past your head, so it was just blinding you. It was a cool design, so I'm gonna try my best to keep it, like to keep the fabric on there. So what I'm basically gonna do is gonna probably peel it back to maybe like an inch. So I still have to do the visors. I know I'm not gonna rewrap it since I don't have enough fabric. I thought I did, but I guess not. So let me flip it around so I can get the sides. The sides are the most fragile. I think it's drooping right now, but yeah, it's pretty intense. See this? Yeah, see? I just pulled on it and this didn't even... That's a good start. Like this whole thing's supposed to be like brushed off. So... Alright guys, so I got the wire brush right here. So I'm just gonna do the whole thing. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn down the music a bit. So I almost got it all done. Like I said, I'm gonna go to this line, so like right here, this line right here, and all the way through. But that's what it's supposed to look like. A little bit of fiberglass showing. This way the fabric can actually go onto there. Alright guys, so I just got it all done. There's a hard line here for the foam. I'm not gonna go past here because you don't really see this part, and like it's way past your head. Your head sits like right here in the middle. And yeah, just got it done to the fiberglass. Made sure that I also made sure that, you know, it could adhere to it a little bit more better. I think this is gonna work. Not so sure. I think I might use this one. I don't know. So we'll see. Hi guys, so it's the matter of just waiting it for it to dry. Usually it took around 2 days to dry last time, but this is the finished product. Yeah, and this is just supposed to be like that. Everything else seems okay for now. We're gonna see if it holds. That bowl this is probably the most annoying part right here, just because like the thing's already broken, I think. But yeah, a lot more better. Okay guys, well, we got it done. That's the back view, and it just really gets it together. So let's go ahead and step inside. Okay, when you step inside, there it is. Look at that, that's clean. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, you know, go ahead and leave a like. I just decided to do the headliner just because, you know, it's falling down. I couldn't even see. So once that dried, I'll take a picture. If you guys don't know, I have an Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram, my Facebook group where I have all my lights and stuff, my Twitter, you know, anything, man. Just type in nickolision, it'll be fine. Alright guys, peace.